Welcome, everyone. I wanted to go over the market research series. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about market research and how we go about doing a keyword search. And I'm located in the state of Maryland. So all my examples are mostly in the state of Maryland because that is where I work and that is where my area of expertise is. So what I wanted to do is just talk to you a little bit about looking up keywords and doing keyword search. So just visit the website. You could just put in, Google it, the welcome to eMaryland Marketplace, or just put in eMaryland Marketplace Advantage. If you're in the state of Maryland, or if you just want this research, even if you're in Arkansas or Texas or another state, go to your state procurement office agency and find out what portal they use for their procurement. And that's where you will go to look for all your federal, your state opportunities, your contracting opportunities from state, county, and local entities. So, and with the eMaryland Marketplace, it's free to register. So I always like to go in here and do research when I'm looking for keywords to put on my capability statement, to put on our capabilities narrative, and just to find out what key terms that agency is using. So how I do that is I go into the public solicitations, I go into the category and look at, and then I want to see all. Okay, so now when it opens up, what I want you to do is to just look at what the different terms are categorized in the state, because they call it a commodity code, when in SAMS, the system of award, calls it a NAICS code. And it's just about the industry codes and different ways of looking. If you want to learn more about that, just go to the help desk and get more information. But this video is for just showing you how to do a keyword search. And so say we wanted to look up anything dealing with management and business professionals and administrative services. So you will go in here and you see that is in the 800 series, well, 8,000 or whatever number this is, it's in the 8 series. And so what it is you will go in here and then click the drop downs to get more information so you can see what other categories are in the management and business professionals administrative services. And then you will click down to go down even more. So just like with a research paper, you got the topic, and then you got your subtopics, and that way you know that you have selected key terms and keywords that the agencies are using. And I just like to go in here and see. So when you put that capability statement up and they ask you your core services, then you can say management advisory services, maybe it's project management services, but you can even drill down a little bit more and see the different subtopics to the subtopic. Just going down another layer, and you see the new business startup, corporate merger consultation services, and strategic planning service. So you can really go in and really use the terms that agency is using. And then how I verify after I've done my research to see what names they are and then the code it is, then I take this and then I will close this one out after I've done everything, selected everything that I wanted, and then I know what the codes are. And then now, so let's see what project management, they tell you regional location studies. It's a good way to see what they are labeling the codes. The procurement office is labeling the codes. So now that I've done this research, I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to go to the public contracts. I want to look at the contracts out there. So then I will take that code and look in here and type for those codes that I've selected. And then I'm going to do see all to see what contracts are out there actually for those codes. Now, these are contract awards that's already been awarded. So we're doing the research to see if the agency is buying these services. So now if you want to skip over the research and just come straight to the public contracts, that's up to you. But I just always want to make sure you have different ways of getting the information that you need to be successful in the government marketplace, and learning how to use these vehicles to get the information that you need to build your SBA dynamic search profile. You know, get in there, get that information out. And that way you know that you have selected keywords and you know that they're providing those services. So let's go and look at the same code. And you see, you can select the same way that you did before. You can look in here and say we only want to just see management advisory services. And you see they break that down even more. But I want to look at those. I want to look at everything. And then, because I don't want the search to be so bad or it just slows down the time. So I'm only going to do a few at a time. So that way I can go in here and see what it looks like, and then just hit search, and then you see it pulls up all those that are listed. And then you go in there and check out and see if these are something that you're interested in going after. Because you see this one is coming up, is expiring in July. So then maybe you can recompete. Maybe you can see if there's an opportunity that you're looking to go after. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. And then be looking out for other videos on how to do keyword searches and then conducting market research. All right, y'all, take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. If you have any questions and experience to share, please leave a comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to my channel and see you on the next video.